fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Thank you guys for joining us once more. And we're about to head out on the water this morning to see what we can pick up this morning. I don't know exactly where I'm going to end up yet this morning, but I'm going to jump down on the water and see if I can pick up a barracuda this morning. Maybe a jack, maybe a snapper, who knows. Let's go hunting, guys. Stay tuned. I don't know where I'm going yet. I haven't made my mind up yet, guys. I'm heading down the line. I'm just driving down the line. I'm passing my friend Dion right now in another spot. They're on the water. I see them on this pier back there, but I'm gonna go further down the line. I'm really looking for a little bit more deeper water because I'm really hunting a bigger fish today. We're always hunting a bigger fish, guys, but what I want to do is just aim for a specific species. I'm hunting a barracuda this morning. I want to pick up a nice sized barracuda this morning. Hopefully something in the 10 pound to 5 pound range, 5 to 10 pound range, give or take. If not that, a nice sized jack or so. Let's hope that we can get that in today. All right, guys, stay tuned. Well, you got some guy up there already on the rock. So that's who had his line set. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get around. Yeah, guys, so I moved from all the way over there, working my way back down to those guys that way. But I'm working this area. I see a lot of baby fryer fish in the water. So there has to be a barracuda around here someplace. So we hunting him. Nothing on this lure, guys. Ever since I changed these hooks, nothing. Not seeing any chases, nothing. Alright. We'll move down, skip these trees real quick, see if we can get around them real quick, and get down to some higher rocks here and see if I can get a little bit deeper water where I can use a bigger lure. Vamoose, guys. Big up Black Man the Traveler. See him where? Yeah, real dog. Have to figure out how to get around this. Time this water. Wave come in, flap, and we move. Quick too. This is exciting. Dangerous and exciting too. Oh, I see a fin. I see a fin come up a while ago. A big fin. Wow, look at those eagle rays, guys. Eagle rays passing me. Nothing, guys, yet. Yeah, guys, nothing yet, man. That's not good. Nothing. Alright, guys, we're gonna hike it down. We scanned here enough already. 4 or 5 casts out. Nothing on the lure. If we don't pick up anything by the time we reach to where the car is, we're gonna hit the car and head down the line. This is not a normal spot where I normally fish. I just was passing by today, and I gotta watch where them guys' lines are at. I don't want to hitch up on their lines either. I won't switch this lure off, guys. Not getting much on this lure at all. We'll use Uri. Good little ways down. I walked already on these rocks. Yo, these things give you exercise, guys. It is. It's a lot of physical exercise, cardio, and everything in one, man. It's crazy. I'm not going to get such a far cast on this lure, but I'll get a good glitter on it. Nothing yet, guys. We're gonna troop it up, guys, and get up there and get up on them heights and see where we can get a bird's eye view. I kind of like the bird's eye view when I'm fishing at times. Yeah. So get up here. God damn, Jamaican shore fishing, boy. I tell you, boys, fishing ain't easy. I love this though.
This is awesome vibes though, guys. Make sure I watch those guys' lines. You can see their lines coming down right there, right? So this is part of fishing that you pay attention to when you fish. You don't want to upset another fisherman, that's for sure. Definitely don't want to do that. Woo! Long jaw, grab it, let it go, guys. Oh, bastard. I seen him just as he did it too. When I see a long jaw, that's a good news. Line's going that way, can't cast this way. Let's go on the other side. This looks like an old building or something that used to be here, guys. Howdy, boys. How you doing this morning? Anything yet? You got to run off and lost it? How? On live bait? How long you guys been here? I phone a carry out, that's all. Okay. On the jack? Yeah. I'm going around there now. Yeah, that's not gonna. I lost a barra out there the other day on this rod. Yeah. Right in the middle of right there, boy. He took off, but what I got nervous was he turned towards me. Oh. The lure in I'm out, the hook them in I'm out, yeah. Team teeth them sharp, and them come straight towards me. So only thing I can do is just push up the rod so I can veer him off, yeah. And then he just goes and go out and he just do one poop a flick and pop off. So I was like, ah, yeah, he didn't pop off, but he just came off the lure. But yeah, let me see. Is that 80 pound Brady have I only use 15, so we're gonna have a good fight. That's it. Yo, the lighter your line is, the more fun the fight is, because you know, so you can't manhandle him. You have to finesse him. They call it finessing. You have to take your time and baby it until he get tired out, till he just go up on inside. So and that's how you know, so you have him. Yeah, but what I try to say, I manhandle him, I try to manhandle the fish. That's why the rod break. And one time fish ever brought this a rod yet, you know. A Portland with there, you know, man, and the barra must be about 20 odd pound, you know, man, and grab the line and just take off. And the drag set too tight. So your drag must stay so. Your hand supposed to can pull your drag. So now go around, I go try still. Alright, guys. We'll go around here and try these rocks around here. Give it a shot. This is an old wall that they built back here. Like this was the old road, part of the old highway, and they abolished the old highway because I remember these walls. But shit, to climb down there now is a whole other ball game, guys. I find that the rocks one in there. Well. And I hope you're so in there or done this so. But one make you never walk down to the fish. You good onto them the fish there here, because you know no gaff on you. What you try? You can't lift you up with the line. Yeah. Alright, shore fishing, we're down on a little spot. And we're gonna try around here now. Try some lures. Heard these big jacks and big barras and all sorts of creatures around this side. So try a little spot. Nice little adventure today. I got a light setup. As hopefully if we hook onto something big we can handle it. Let's go with something bigger, guys, because this lure is not going to work here, and the reason why I say that is because this is deep water and these hooks are small on this lure. Okay, let's go with this big hook. So in case anything do grab it, I know these hooks are not going to let loose on me. They'll give me a good little vibe. So without further ado, guys. Good cast. Switch off lures, guys. Sticky spot could be working up here, but this is why I use a lock swivel to lock my lures on and off. Makes life simple. Giving these rocks a shot, guys, and see what we can pick up here. I haven't picked anything up yet. So Oh shit. Ah. Just lost that lure, guys. Just lost the goddamn lure. How the... Oh my god, man. Yeah guys, so my camera just fell down here. All the way from up here, guys, all the way between there. And there goes my wire lead too, that fell down there too. I gotta go get it. Shit. Oh, I would have lost that whole bag of wire lead. So, fishermen in their line. I don't know how that fell out, but I just seen it. All the way down here my camera came, guys, underneath here. Look at this, fishermen leaving their damn mess. I hate that shit. So, wire leads, I was looking for it to make a lead a while ago. I couldn't find it. I was wondering where it went. So, let's get this back in the bag before we cast out. Let's get a few more casts in here, guys. If I don't see anything pick up, then I know we out of here. We're going to drop this paddle tail to the bottom here and work it off the floor. Good distance from this rock, and then work it on the way in. I got hitched on something, but something grabbed it, guys. Look, something's pulling it. See? Let's give him some wire. Lost another lead again, another wire. Damn it, man. New tying up again, guys. Worst day of fishing today. Worst day of fishing. Lost 3 lures today. Bumbleclap. I got hit after by a strawberry grouper a while ago, guys. Let me try it again. That's what hit it a while ago. Friggin' strawberry grouper. He was a nice sized one. He came out like a vengeance just now, guys. I know there's a whole bunch of strawberry groupers back here. Here, guys, strawberry grouper just came out from under the rock. Hit it, messing with it. Nothing, guys. Hitched up again. Oh boy. I'm done right here, guys. I'm definitely done right here. I'm done with fishing right here for the day. That's it. I've lost so much lures today. It's not even funny. I'm not tying up back anymore here. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna find me a different spot to go to. Yeah, guys, so we'll move from this spot. I'm gonna try to go around a little bit further on these rocks and see if I can get any action around there, but there's no action on this side right here where I'm at right now. So without further ado, guys, I don't want to stay down here all day boring you. I'm gonna walk through these bushes and see if I can get around a little bit further. I don't know if these guys are still out here. They might have moved. Who knows? I don't think they stood very long. Let's see. Can we go that way? No. I'm not even gonna try that. I don't see your rods and stuff anymore. Yeah, they moved. Yeah, them guys moved. I guess they wasn't getting much action here. So they cut. They left. I'm gonna fly my drone real quick. I just finished taking some drone shots a while ago. I done secured the drone. I seen a big tarpon swimming about here earlier. Didn't get a hookup on anything. So I said, all right, let me just drop my lure in the water real quick before I leave here real quick and head home or head to a different fishing spot, which I am most likely going to hit up. So we're going to definitely see if we can pick up a barracuda someplace or fish someplace to take home today for dinner. So that's the whole game plan, guys. They left, they probably moved to a different spot because they know me already. I'm going to be going. They're going to be like, oh shit, shore fishing is moving. I won't take any chances with me right now. Trust me on that. But let's go hunt a barra, guys. Let's go find a barracuda someplace. I have to today. Yeah. Let's go. First we got to find our way out of this gully. And how the hell did they walk down here? Because I had to walk all the way around. So with all them fishing gears, them guys must have found some trail to come through here. This might be it. Thirst is kicking my ass. I didn't bring any water with me. I should have a bottle in the car though. Which track did they walk? Well, there's a track underneath the bushes right there. Has to be right here, guys. I'm gonna go around and check that trail above. I'm not planning on going all the way around. If that's the case, we climbing this cliff today, guys. I don't see any broken bushes. Only parts like where they would walk, or footprints, or broken twigs. Nothing broken here, so we're not going there. Alright, find our way out of here. If not, I got a long walk ahead of me through these rocks. See, these guys have a trail right here. Yep. This is a little trail. And this trail goes right here. It's on the other side of the road. I'm not going through there. I'm not going through there, guys. We're not going to try that. I was contemplating for a second. You know me, there goes a walking path. So we're going to throw our lure out here real quick and see if we can grab something to go home with, guys. In the lower water right here. Fudge bucket. Alright, nothing, guys. Nil. So we're exiting these bushes now. And look at the tunnel I gotta go through bushes. Holy shit. Walk through all of this with fishing gear is a hellhole. Damn, the way these guys come down. I gotta get me some water. I got a bottle in the car. Room temperature, I should be alright. Holy shit, guys, this hunt been hard this morning so far. Came to a new spot, which I should have went to my good spot like I normally, my normal spot, but I decided I didn't want to go any further.